Okay, just got out of class and wanted to drop by the Goodwill near my campus and found a few things like this sweater, windbreaker, and a green blank crew neck sweater. So the colorful sweater I found is a little big on me, so I think I'm gonna have to sell it. Also, these Doc Martens I found last week are like a half size too small for me. I think they're a size 9. And actually, I have a lot of stuff I'm gonna post to sell pretty soon. So subtle plug for my Depop. You know, I gotta make sure I can pay rent. Okay, I'm probably gonna cut ahead to Saturday where I'm gonna see some friends, and I'll continue the video from there.
I thought that was so funny, bro. Did I say that one? No, we got to get stuck in. That was a good one. I said that.
What are you doing there?
I'm getting gas right now.
Oh, okay. What are we doing today?
Today we're going thrifting again.
Where are we going?
Alright, so we're going thrifting again today. We got the boys, RJ and Josh.
Yeah. Dang.
First stop we're gonna go to.
No.
I need to stretch out my legs.
Oh, for real?
Arthritis.
This is the RJ.
What's up?
What's up, boy?
512, you dig?
What's up, boy?
Right here.
What you got there? Is that a...
It's a USB drive.
That's the first stop we're gonna go to Salvation Army, and then we're gonna go to.
Dude, I've been actually looking for something like this. I'm so broke though, I can't really buy anything for myself. I can just try it on. That looks cool. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Alright, there's this shirt. There's the Sam Houston.
Interesting.
Sam Houston, but what if I do go to Sam Houston one day? And then there's this Nike sweater.
That one's sick.
There's a jacket that matches the sweater that I'm wearing. And then this colorful, kind of generic drug rug. And then this shirt. There's no cameras allowed in here. This one's not that bad too. This is only $8.
How you feeling about this Goodwill?
I actually really like this Goodwill. It's a long sleeve. Like, I don't really give a f. This is Sam Houston University. Like, it just looks comfortable.
It just looks like any college font.
Honestly, if people ask, I'll be like, yeah, dude, I studied business for like a semester.
Why business?
At Sam Houston? Really? I love a business major.
Oh yeah. I failed, dropped out.
You're making up this backstory.
I think I'm gonna get this.
Oh.
I don't know, tell me what you think.
Hey, that's cool. Yeah, you can you can go to the gym, you can pop back and then go to class. That's perfect. How did all these boys get here? I don't know.
No, I feel like I could fly.
Dang, okay. In Central America.
Do you even know where Colorado is?
Dude, UFC.
Hey, Vic.
Slim Jim, bro. It's a gourmet beef steak.
What is it?
Gourmet beef stick. Trash.
Allison.
I've never seen this team. Probably like regular league, probably right. A if your name's Allison.
Wow.
Pretty soon. Dude, low key, this looks comfortable as too. Pushing the record button now.
Okay, what's up?
So what did you get?
We just got back from thrifting.
Oh, big facts.
Drip.
Okay, the first one I got was, it's like a jersey. It's just a black crew neck. It's kind of faded. It's kind of nice. There's like a little bit of a stain.
It looks black in this image.
What's this? I got this turtleneck earlier this week.
Interesting.
Different Goodwill.
Okay. Fucking turtlenecks, man. Nice. I'll fuck with that hard. What's that one?
Okay, this one's from today. It's just a Harley Davidson tee.
Motorcycles, man.
Hell yeah.
No, I just like it. It's like a thick black shirt, so I like it.
What's that one?
Alright, this one's also from today. I got this from Salvation Army. And it's just like another thick shirt. It's got a car on it.
3 cars, actually.
It's true, it is 3 cars.
Damn, brother.
I got some socks.
Whew.
I don't know what brand this is.
Oof, clean.
They got the Tommy colors when you think about it.
Yeah.
This cardigan's from like 2 weeks ago. I found it, but I wanted to feature it into a video.
Is it?
Nice.
I like it.
That's nice. That's very Christmassy.
Yeah, it is really Christmassy. I like it a lot. It's cool.
Nice.
And then these are black pants. I was gonna taper them.
You should taper them, and then you should record you tapering them in the
I'm
future.
making another video. All right, that's all. That's all I got, I think, right?
You may go now.
Good stuff. I like it. Good job, Chief.
What do you have to say? Alright. What's up? I got 2 sweaters. I was actually really broke, and I shouldn't have bought any sweaters because I gotta buy Christmas gifts. But I got this sweater. It's a USA Olympic sweater. See the little 5 rings right there? Oof. Means I'm a track star. And then I got this.
Yeah, this is sick.
Oh man, it's backwards. Hold on. I got this. Yeah, it's a very simple, just like sneaky sweatshirt. So yeah, we out here. We're gonna start working out. It's New Year, 2019. Gonna be buff when I'm like 23. Got like 4 more years left. Hell yeah! I only got 2 sweaters.
That's all we got. These boys didn't get anything.
Yeah, I know. I was gonna buy something.
Oh man, the battery's low.
Subscribe.
Thank you.
Coming soon.
I appreciate that actually.
Yeah.
Okay. Just down a little, up a little. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Thanks for watching. That's the end of the video.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Subscribe to Sunday Films and to Slim's Gym Films. Thanks.
I'm about to plug like 8 different things right now. Yeah, and that's all. Thank you for watching.
Bye.